Hello dear students, today we are going to explain chapter number 15, that is Introduction to Graphs. In this part we are going to explain exercise 15.2 from NCERT. Now question number 1. Plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. Okay, so here some coordinates are given: A 40, B 42, C 46 and D 4 and 2.5. Now these coordinates are given and we have to plot these coordinates on the graph sheet, and we have to verify also these points lie on a same line or not. Okay, so first of all, point A, so it is given 4, 0. So 4 is the x coordinate and 0 is the y coordinate. Similarly, at B, point B, 4 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. And at point C, 4 and 6 is given. So 4 is x coordinate and 6 is y coordinate. Similarly, point D, that is 4, 2.5 is given. So this is x and this will be y coordinate. Okay. So let's see how can we draw on graph sheet. Simply we have to draw two lines. This one is x-axis and the vertical line, that is y-axis. So let's suppose this is x-axis, so it is denoted as x. Now the right part of the x-axis is positive and the left part will be negative. So it will be denoted as x and it will be denoted as x dash. Okay. Now this is vertical line, this is y-axis. So this is positive y, in the upward direction it is positive y, and in downward direction it is negative y. So it is denoted as y dash. Now draw the points here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is positive x. Now this one is negative x. So this is -1, -2, -3 and -4. Similarly, on y-axis the upward direction is positive and downward will be negative. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now see here, the first A point is given 4, 0. Okay, so x coordinate is 4 and y is 0. So x is 4, so this one is positive 4 and y is 0, so 0 at that place y is 0. So this coordinate 4, 0 will be at this point. Okay, so this point is A point, it is 4, 0. Similarly, point B is given 4, 2. So 4 is at x-axis and 2 is at y-axis. So 4, so this will be 4 and y, that is 2. So positive 2, so it goes upward. So 1 and now 2. Okay, so this one is 2 and this one is 4. So this will be B point and it will be 4, 2. Similarly, C point 4, 6. Okay, so at x-axis 4 and at y-axis 6. So x-axis 4, so this one is 4 and y-axis 6. So it goes upward. At what point? 6 point. So 4 is given. So you can write it also 5 and 6. Okay, this is y. Now 4 goes up to 6. So at this point, this is point C 4, 6. Now last point, D point, that is 4, 2.5. So at x-axis 4 and at y-axis 2.5. So at x-axis 4, so it will be 4, and at y-axis 2.5, so it is positive 2.5, so it goes upward. So this will be 1, this is 2, and this will be 2.5. Okay, so 4 goes up to 2.5. Okay, so this point is point C. It is 4, 2.5. Okay. Now these are point A, B, C, and D. Sorry, A, B, C, and this one is D. Now, what we have to also verify? Verify if they lie on the line. Okay. So draw a line in between these points. Okay. What these are the? So we can say these points A, B, C, D lie on the same line. Okay. So this was the explanation of A part. Now next B part. Now question of B part. P, Q, R, S. There are 4 points are given, and these points we have to draw on this graph sheet, and we have to state also and verify these lines lie on the same line or not. Okay. So first of all, the P point is given 1, 1. That means x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is also 1. So this one is x coordinate and this one is y coordinate. So x 1 and 1. So this point denoted as P point, that is 1, 1. Similarly, point Q 2, 2. So at x-axis 2. So this point is 2, and at y-axis also 2. So it goes up to 2 point. This one is 2. Okay, so this point is Q point, that is 2, 2. Similarly, point R is given 3, 3. Now at x-axis this is 3 and at y-axis this is 3. So it goes up to, at that point this is 3 and this will be also 3. So this point is known as R point, that is 3, 3. Similarly, S point, that is 4, 4. Now at y-axis this is 4, and at x-axis this is 4, and at y-axis this is 4. So just meet it. So here it is meeting. So this point is known as S point. So it will be 4, 4. Okay. So these are the points P, Q, R, S, and we have to verify also these points lie on the same line or not. Okay. So just draw a line. So it will be okay. That means simply you can see here these points P, Q, R, S lie on the same line. Okay. These points are P, Q, R, and S. So these points are lie on the same line. So we have to write here these points lies on a same line. Okay, so this was the explanation of B part. Now C part. Now this is C part. K, L, M, N. 4 points are given, and we have to draw on it. So first that is 2, 3. Okay, so x coordinate that is 2 and y coordinate that is 3. So x it is 2 and at y this is 3, so it goes up to 3 points. So this is 3. So this point is K point, that is 2, 3. Okay. Similarly L point 5, 3. So at x axis this is 5 and y axis this is 3. Okay. So it can be noted here. This is L point, this is 5, 3. Similarly, M point, it is 5, 5. So this is 5, it goes up to 5. So this point, okay. This is M point 5, 5. Okay. Now the last one, that is N point, so it is 2, 5. So X, this is 2, and at Y, this is 5. Okay. So it can, here, this is the point where N is 2, 5. Okay, so we can see here clearly all 4 points do not lie on a same line. Okay, if you draw a line, then what you can see, these 4 points do not lie on a same line. Okay, so here we can write these points not lie on a same line. Okay, so this was the explanation of question number 1. Now next question number 2. Now question number 2. Draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which these line meets the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so what we have to do in this question, we have to draw these 2 points and draw a line passing through these 2 points, and we have to see the line passes through which can meet at x-axis or y-axis. Okay, and we have to write also the coordinates on which the line meets on x-axis or y-axis. So now start. Simply what we have to do, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. We have to draw the point 2, 3 and 3, 2 first. So this is 1, 2, 3, okay, now 2, 3 and 3, 2. So 2, 3, so at x-axis this is 2 and at y-coordinate that is 3, so this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, so it can be meet here, that is 2, 3. Similarly 3, 2 is given, so at x-axis this is 3 and at y-axis this is 2. So 3 and 2 can meet here at that point. 3, 2. Okay, so these are the 2 points, and we have to draw a line passing through these 2 points. So it will be okay. So we can see here. So just draw a line. So it will be like this. When we extend this, so it will be like this. Okay, so the line passing through these 2 points cuts at x-axis, that is at this point, and it cuts at y-axis at this point. Okay, and we have to write the coordinate of these 2 points also. So at this point, what is x? 5. 5 is the distance, so this is 5, comma, and what is y at this point? Y, that's means 0 is given. Okay, so this is 0, 0. So at y this is 0 and at x that is 5. So it will be 5, 0. This is the coordinate of this point. Similarly, at this point what is the coordinate? X is given, that is 0, and y that is 5 distance. Okay, 5 feet. So 0, 5. So these are the 2 coordinates which is required here, and this will be the answer, and this is the complete explanation. Okay, now we can write here at x-axis coordinates are 5, 0. At y-axis coordinates are 0, 5. This was the complete explanation of question number 2. Now next question number 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Write the coordinate of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. Okay, so there are 3 figures are given. So first is, that is OABC. second one is P, Q, R, S, and third one is L, M, and K. Okay, so in these three figures we have to write the coordinates of these points which is given here. So in first figure, that is O, A, B, C. Figure O, A, B, C. The coordinate of O will be 0, 0, okay, because there are at x-axis it is also 0 and at y-axis it is also 0. So at point O it will be 0, 0. Similarly at point A, at x-axis there are 2 points, and at y-axis it will be at that point x is 2 and y will be 0. Okay, so this is point A, so it can be 2, 0. Similarly at point B, x is 2 and y will be 3. So it will be 2, 3. Similarly C point, at this point x will be 0 and y will be 3 here. Okay, so it will be C is 0, 3. Now next figure, second figure, that is P, Q, R, S. In this figure, first that is P point. So at P, the value of x will be 4 and the value of y will be 3. Okay, so the coordinate of P will be 4, 3. So it will be 4, 3. Similarly at point Q, x is 6 and y will be 1. So it will be 6, 1. Now at point R, x will be 6 and y will be 5. Similarly at point S, x will be 4 and y will be 7. So this will be 4, 7, and this is the point S. Okay, so this is the coordinate of these two figures. Now next one, that is L and K. The coordinates of L will be L, and what is x? X is 7 and y will be 7 also. Okay, so it will be 7, 7. Similarly at point K, the x should be 10 and at y it is 5. Okay, so it will be 10, 5. Now at point M, x is 10 and y will be 8 up here. Okay, so at M, that is 10, 8. Okay, so these are the coordinates of these two figures. Now it was the explanation of question number 3. Now next question number 4. Now question number 4, state whether true or false. Correct that are false. Okay, we have here some statements are given. We have to clarify this is correct statement, true statement, or false statement. If it is false statement, then we have to write the correct statement. Okay. Now question number first. A point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y-axis. Okay. So first of all, let's take example. What is given? What given here? X coordinate is 0. Okay. So let's suppose x coordinate is 0, and y coordinate is non-zero. So here I am taking 3. Okay, 0, 3. this is x coordinate, that is 0, and y coordinate, that is non-zero. Here I am taking 3. Okay. Now we have to locate this point on the graph paper, and let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 3 we have to locate here. Now at x-axis this is 0, so this will be 0, and at y-axis this is 3, so it goes upward up to 3. Okay, so this point, at this point, this is the point where 0, 3 is located, and we have to state will lie on the y-axis. So this point is lie on y-axis. So it's true. Coordinate 0, 3 lies on y-axis. Okay. So this statement is true statement. Now next, second part. Now second question. A point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y-axis. So what coordinate is given? Y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5. So x is 5 and y will be 0. This is the coordinate which is given, and we have to locate on the graph paper. So let's suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Similarly, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the coordinate is given 5, 0. So here we have to locate it. So at x-axis this is 5. So this one is 5, and at y-axis this is 0. This one is 0, so 5, and this is the point where x is 5 and y is 0. Okay, so this is 5, 0. And we have to also verify this point lie on y-axis. No, this point is lie on x-axis. So this is false statement. Okay. This is false statement. Now this was question number 2. Now third part. Now this is third part. The coordinate of the origin are 0, 0. This is true statement. We all know that. At this point, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. At this point, y is x is 0 and y will also 0. Okay, so this point is 0, 0. And this is the point which is known as origin also. Okay, this is origin. So in this statement, the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. That is true statement. Okay, this is true. So this was the explanation of all the questions of exercise 15.2. So thank you so much, students. In next video we will discuss the exercise. Thank you so much.